Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to get interactive brokers refer a friend option quickly and easily. If you already have an interactive brokers account, log into your client portal and look for the refer a friend option. Once you open it, you'll see your unique referral link. Copy this link and share it with your friends. If you're the one receiving a referral, you'll need to open your account using your friend's referral link. After completing your application and funding your account, you may be eligible for rewards. Typically, new clients can receive up to $1,000 worth of IBKR stock as a bonus. The amount you receive depends on how much you deposit and maintain in your account. For the your rewards are also based on the deposits and activity of the friends they invite. The more successful referrals they make, the more stock rewards they can earn. The exact reward structure, deposit requirements, and eligibility may vary depending on your region, so it's always best to check the official interactive brokers website for the latest terms and conditions. If this explanation helped, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more simple finance tutorials, and share this with a friend who's interested in investing with interactive brokers.